If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a statue is worth 1,000 pictures. This was the motto of the Scan-A-Rama 3D Portrait Studio, an art project I started in 2012 based around my invention, the Scanatron 3000, a low-cost, open-source, full-body 3D scanning rig. The project captures my interest in humanizing technology by making it entertaining, approachable, and relevant to everyone. Based in a former fortune teller's stall in Coney Island and traveling to fairs and events, I spent 5 years running this portrait studio of the future, perfecting this new practice of physical photography to create 3D likenesses of more than 10,000 people, including many of the eccentric performers, families, and characters who visited me.